Hello everyone and welcome to the session 5 and final session of unit 5, that is super finishing process. For the course machine tool technology for fourth semester diploma mechanical engineering, myself Mohammad Imran. So in the today's session we are discussing super finishing process, polishing process and buffing process. So in the last class we have studied about the super finishing processes such as lapping and fining. So here the super finishing process removes very small amount of workpiece in order to give the good surface finish and good look. So the normal machining process such as turning, milling operation will not give an accurate surface finish. If an particular engineering application requires good surface finish, such as the surface table or such as bearing and a shaft assembly, which requires good surface finish. So such process requires this super finishing process that will remove very small amount of materials from varying from 50 to 100 microns, but to give good surface finish, the material, any marks or any oval shape which is produced by other machining process or any tool mark, so that will be removed by these super finishing processes. So in the today's session we are discussing the super finishing process. The super finishing is a micro finishing process that produces a controlled surface condition on the part which is not obtained by any other method. So controlled surface condition which is not possible to obtain by any other process is obtained by this super finishing process. It is also called as micro stoning, consists of a scraping a stone against the surface to produce the fine quality of finish. The abrasive stone is held in a suitable holder and placed on the work surface. You can see here, this is the abrasive stone which is held by some suitable arrangement. So this is the workpiece. This workpiece will be rotated, and this the super finishing stone will be oscillates along the length of the workpiece. That will produces the controlled surface condition which is not obtained by any other processes. The wheel is made up of abrasive particles that is having the sharp corners of cutting edges that will remove the some small amount of workpiece from the rotating workpiece. Um, so that is about the super finishing process. This abrasive stone is held in a suitable holder, and it will oscillate. If necessary, it will oscillate. Otherwise, the workpiece only rotates and it will be constant. So that there will be a rubbing action takes place between the workpiece and the stone that will remove the uh, metal from the workpiece. The holder is spring loaded. The holder of this is spring loaded. Uh, Provide a light pressure on the work surface. So this will provide the light pressure on the workpiece in order to remove the workpiece metal from the workpiece. While the workpiece is rotated at very slow speed. So this workpiece is rotated at very slow speed. The spring pressure the stone holder applies the force on this workpiece. As the workpiece rotates, the abrasive stone reciprocates forward and backward. This abrasive stone will reciprocate forward and backward, and the force is applied from the top towards downward direction according to requirement of the shape being superficial. The grinding wheel may be single piece or compressed of several segments of abrasive blocks and joined together. Usually the mixture of kerosene and oil is used as lubricant to obtain the high quality of surface. The mixture of kerosene and oil is used as a lubricant in between the workpiece and the stone in order to get the good surface finish. Polishing. Polishing is a surface finishing operation to improve the surface finish by means of a polishing wheel. There is a polishing wheel which is used for making polishing operation. You have heard about the polishing. We have done polishing everything. So this polishing is done by a polishing wheel to remove the scratches, tool mark, pits, and other defects come through the rough surfaces. So if the single point cutting tools such as lathe or milling cutters so produces some tool marks, so that marks will be removed by these polishing processes, but by means of a polishing wheel. The polishing wheel is made up of fabrics or paper or canvas or wool or leather and rotating at a high speed. So this polishing wheel is made up of either cloth, or either it is made up of canvas, or either made up of is lace. There is soft material. All those materials are very soft. They are made up of very soft metal, and it is rotated at very high speed. The abrasive grains are glued on the outer periphery of the polishing wheel. So some abrasive particles are glued or sticked on the outer surface of this polishing wheel. The polishing is done similar to the grinding by holding the workpiece and grinding wheel mounted on the floor stand grinder. Tolerance up to 0.025 or less than 0.025 millimeter are made in the polishing, machine polishing. Next is buffing. Buffing is used to give much higher reflective finish, mirror finish that cannot be obtained by polishing. So buffer is a very high super finishing process. If any process is not suitably gives good accurate surface finish, so that will be done by buffing operation. So the buffing is used to give much higher reflective finish, mirror finish. So the buffing is used to give mirror finish that cannot be obtained by any polishing process. The buffing wheels are made up of cloth belt like flexible materials. So as usual, the buffing wheel is also made up of very soft materials like cloth or belt. The abrasive is mixed with binder and is applied either on the buffing wheel on the workpiece. The abrasive is mixed with the binder and uh, applied on either on the buffing wheel or on the workpiece. Abrasive mixed with the binder is applied on a binder which is made up of abrasive particle is wound is is applied over the workpiece or either applied over the buffing wheel. So that will remove the material from the workpiece. The buffing is done after grinding and polishing. After grinding and buffing, after grinding and polishing operation only the buffing is done in order to remove any grinding marks or anything which is held, which is left on this workpiece, that will be removed by means of buffing operation. A buffing compound which consists of a abrasive particles are applied over the buffing wheel or directly applied on the workpiece, so that will remove the material from the workpiece. The buffing wheel rotates at a speed of 40 meters per second. So buffing wheel rotates at a speed of 40 meters per second. The workpiece to be buffed is held on the wheel surface to obtain the mirror-like surface. The workpiece to be buffed is held on the wheel surface to obtain the mirror like. So here the buffing wheel rotated and workpiece is placed is held on the this rotating buffing wheel. If the in buffing, the abrasive metal made up of chromium oxide. The buffing abrasive metal which is used as a buffing compound is made up of chromium oxide, iron oxide, MRC, MRE is used, and binder paste made up of wax mixed with grease, paraffin and kerosene or turpentine is used. So in buffing, the abrasive material here you can see that buffing compound. This buffing compound is made up of emery, or it may be made up of chromium oxide or iron oxide, and binder paste. A paste is made up of binder paste made up of wax mixed with grease. The wax and grease are mixed. Paraffin and kerosene or turpentine is also used, which is used as a lubricant in between this workpiece and the buffing compound to give the mirror-like finish. So nothing but very simple. There is one buffing wheel which is made up of very soft materials like cloth and leather, and it will be rotated. So upon which this rotating buffing wheel, there is a buffing compound which is made up of iron oxide or silica oxide or chromium oxide. There is a separate one layer that will be placed on the buffing wheel or directly placed on the surface of the workpiece, and it is rotated. So that rotation will causes the rubbing action. So we are using a paste of grease, wax, and kerosene, so which acts as a coolant or cutting fluid that will give the good surface finish on the workpiece. So one thing is that in order to give the buffing operation, which is used for only for which are the parts which are done grinding operation and polishing operation. So only after grinding and polishing operation the buffing is done. The buffing is very good surface finish process. It is the um, it gives very good mirror like finishing. So the components which are already done grinding and this polishing operation will be given for buffing operation. So thank you for watching this session.